Have you seen those colorful balls you can put inside your bathtub? Well, those are called bath bombs. This is a giant bath bomb. Let's learn how to make this together. Come on, Wonder Citizen, let's explore the fizzy, colorful, bubbly bath bombs.
Welcome to Wunderworld. Let's go, Wonderful!
Hello, Wonder Citizen. It's me, Evelyn. I'm the creator of Wunderworld, and I'm also a scientist. And together with me, I have Captain Wunderduck. Yay! Come, let's get into the colorful world of bath bombs. Well, bath bombs started out like this. You can make them into any shape, like this ball right here, or this cylindrical right here. Well, let's make bath bombs together, shall we?
Before you start, get your mom or dad to make this with you.
Are you ready to make bath bombs? Here we go! First, you will need a baking soda and a citric acid. And we are going to be using this lavender essential oil to make our bath bomb smell so amazing. And to bind all the powder together, we will be using jojoba oil. Or you can use any other oil that your parents have in your own kitchen. This is jojoba oil. And I also have this colored powder. Wow, they're so colorful. If you don't have colored powder at home, you can also use blue pea flower. This is so cool. It's a flower that has color. So if you put this in water, your water will turn blue color. So here we go. It's so simple. First, I will just put the baking soda and mix it with the oil. And we add a little bit of color. What kind of color should we use today? We should make purple. Mix them together. And last, let's put in our citric acid. Mix them all up. Wow! We got our purple ready. Now we're gonna do the same for the other colors. Now mix the blue. Wow! It's my favorite color, yellow. And done! Yay! Bath bomb 5! Yay! Now we are going to shape them. What kind of shape shall we do? We should make them round. Alright, so now we are going to use this round ball to make the bath bomb shape into a ball like this. Let's go! You can make any shape that you want. Ooh. How about if we add a little bit of yellow in the middle? Don't pack them flat. We want it to be rounded on top like this. Because after this, we are going to join the ball together. Let's just match the two balls together, alright? Here we go! And you can wait for 6 to 12 hours before you open them. But look! Wow! Look at that! And what other shape do you want to make? How about if we use this paper cup? This shape is also called cylindrical. We want to pack them really tightly here. Oh, My hand is so tired, Duck. Can you give me a hand? Can you pack this together with me?
Oh, yes!
Yes, come here. 1, 2, 3. And we're all done. Let's see how this one turns out. Here we go.
Wow! That's wonderful!
Wow! Look how awesome is that! And I'm going to decorate this with a little bit of an eco glitter.
Wow!
It's so shimmery. That's so wonderful. Hey, do you know what would be a great idea?
What?
We should make a super giant bath bomb and we'll see what will happen in the top later. That's
so wonderful!
Now we're gonna use this bowl to shape them. Wow! What color should we do first?
Let's do pink, blue, purple, and yellow.
Again, pink, blue, purple, yellow. Okay, let's do that sequence, shall we?
Okay, let's do it together, Wonder Citizen. First pink. What's after this? Purple. Oh, no. Blue, that's right. What should be the next sequence? Purple. Yellow. Yay! Let's do pink, blue, purple, and yellow. Now let's join our giant ball together.
Let's open it up and see what happens. Wow! Look at that! It's a giant bath bomb! It's as big as my face! I wonder what makes bath bomb so fizzy. Do you think it's magic? Well, let's find out how bath bomb works. I know just the right person to call. Who should we call? Yes, Professor Beary. Let's go find him. Let's go. Professor Beary, we have something to
I'm
ask
having
you.
a bath.
Uh-oh.
Let me dry myself up. Please wait a minute.
Well, Professor Beary, we want to know how bath bomb works.
Did you know sometimes when you mix two things together, something special happens?
Oh.
That's kind of what happens when you mix an acid and a base.
Wonder Citizen, can you name something acidic? Usually they are kind of sour. Can you guess? That's right, lemons. Lemons are acidic. Now, what is something that is the total opposite of acidic? Sometimes they are also called a base, like soap and baking soda. So when you mix a base and an acid, they have a fun reaction. Wow! But Professor Beary, why do they fizz?
They will dance and release carbon dioxide that will fizz in water, just like bath bombs.
So what we made inside is carbon dioxide. That's why they fizz.
Come on, Wonder Citizen. Let's do a bath bomb dance. Follow me. I'm an acid, you're a base. Together we will dance. I'm an acid, you're a base. Together we make bath bomb.
Are you ready to join us? Come, join us. Stand up, stand up. 1, 2, 3.
I'm a acid, you're a base.
Well, Wonder Citizen, do you remember our giant bath bomb? Well, it's been 12 hours now and it's time for us to try it in our bathtub. Let's go!
Yay!
Here we go!
Wow!
Wow! Look at that! Do you see that, Captain Wunderduck? Look at the colors! That is so amazing! What color can you see? We have
Pink, blue, yellow, and purple.
Well, citizen, do you discover new words today? Let's read them with Professor Beary.
Okay,
Let's
here
go.
we go.
Acid, base, bath bomb, dance, lemon, bath, blue, pink, purple, yellow. Can we read them again faster?
Okay, here we go.
Acid, base, bath bomb, dance, lemon, bath, blue, pink, purple, yellow. Can we read them even faster?
Okay, here we go.
Acid, base, bath bomb, dance, lemon, bath, blue, pink, purple, yellow.
Woo.
Wow, that was fast! Great job, Wonderful! You are my Wonder Star! Congratulations! You just earned yourself a berry pin! Yay! Here you go!
Alright, I have to go now. See you next time. Bye-bye.
See you again, Professor Beary! Captain Wunderduck, do you know that you can make bath bomb in any shape?
Oh,
The one I have right here in my bag is a cone-shaped bath bomb. Look! Star shape, square, round, cylindrical.
wow, so cool. I love it.
Yay! Good job, Wonderful! Subscribe and follow to enter Wunderworld. Bye-bye, Wonderful! See you next time!